Hey everyone, today I'm going to give you a quick overview of ProposalLift, a software that we built to help our team to send Upwork proposals effectively and personalize according to our tone and portfolio. As you know, before ChatGPT, we used to write personalized proposals from scratch. That used to take a lot of time. Later on, we started using ChatGPT and we built custom GPTs for our team as well that were sending proposals better than like writing from scratch, and like the speed was improved and the tone was better, but there were still problems like updating the context and to write the proposal right according to the expertise of specific person from the team. For that specific reason, we created this product. Initially, we used a couple of SaaS products as well that were good, but the results that we were getting were quite generic. Due to that specific reason, we started working on our own MVP. So these are a couple of features that we implemented in here. Firstly, we have like obviously the AI proposal generation, which you can do through the dashboard and also using the extension as well. You can install the extension from Chrome Web Store and use that. Apart from that, you can create personas for each team members, and you can add all the details, the bio and everything regarding that specific person from your team in there. Once that persona is selected during the proposal, the AI will generate proposal right according to their tone and the portfolio that they have. Moreover, we have templates and hooks. Like you can create custom templates for your proposals. If you have a winning proposal that's getting you the results, you can use that as well. Apart from that, you can also add custom hooks, which worked really well for us. It was not available in any of the app that we used initially. But the point is like we used to test a lot of hooks in our Upwork proposals. And for that specific reason, we add this feature which can help you create proposals with custom hooks based on specific job. Moreover, we have live alerts from Upwork. You get the notification as soon as job lands the Upwork. Furthermore, as I mentioned, the portfolio matching and Chrome extensions are already there that you can utilize to make the proposals more effective. Apart from that, we are also working on MCPs and also like a lot of other features very soon, and you can utilize them as well. You can also follow our roadmap for upcoming features. We are like working on a lot of cool features like MCP, and we are also planning to give an option to users to use their own API key, which is going to be the best thing in this product. Because we use a lot of products like these and all of them provide you the usage based on credits. But in this, you can integrate the API, and the only thing you have to do is add your API key from OpenAI or Claude, and then you can use that. One thing that people are really concerned about is getting banned from Upwork. You are using official Upwork API and you have to add your own key, and with that key you'll be fetching all the jobs and everything and use the live alerts features. And that's how it actually works, and there's no auto submission or anything that is being restricted by Upwork right now. Now let's actually jump into the application and see what are the features that we have currently. Firstly, we have the dashboard with all the stats of the application, the proposal that you have already sent, the projects and everything that you have currently. You can see here like the proposal we have sent so far, and apart from that, the recent activity from all the team members. I currently have the agency account. I can switch between the agency accounts and see the stats of specific agency, or also I can see the stats of my personal profile as well. We can go directly to the proposal page from here. If we click, the next one is job feed. This is basically being filled according to the filters that you create. If you don't have any filters, it's gonna fetch the jobs right from Upwork feed that you have on your profile. If you set up the filters, this feed will be fetching all the jobs from that specific filter. So you can come here and create the filters just like Upwork. It has almost same features. So you can jump in here and create the filters as well. Webflow, and we don't want any WordPress keyword. And then we have country, let's say United States. So these are all the jobs that are being filtered out. And you can see once you create this job post, you can turn on job alerts and auto refresh here. So you can keep updated based on the job that you in your feed. This is how you get the job feed like populated with these filters. You can go to any specific job. This scoring is basically based on like the payment is verified, if they have spent, how many reviews they have, where are they from, if anything is risky, no reviews, payment is not verified, it's also being marked here as well. So this is really helpful for our team, at least to like get an idea on which job do they need to apply and which job do they need to skip. And we can apply like further filters as well from here. Jobs, a clean list of jobs to send proposal to will help us save connects as well. So this is how we create all the filters, and based on these filters we are getting all the jobs in this specific feed fetched after being applied these filters, and then like we are getting all of these here. The most important thing you'll see here is we have extension. You can download the extension from Chrome Web Store. It's available easily. You can just go install it and just sign in with your account and it will be connected. Just make sure you have it installed and logged in. Currently it only works on the job proposal page. I'll give it some time to open the job. Yeah, so we click here, apply now. On this page you can see it's asking me to sign in if I want to create a proposal. Let me just quickly sign in. I'll pause the video. Okay, after signing in you'll see this bar here in bottom right, the configuration of this app here as well. You can select any of the persona from the team, the model that you want to use for writing proposal, and also for the tone you can select any of this tone as well. Apart from that, we have length of proposal, which is I think we should have this number of character here as well, but this is short, medium, and long. You can select any of these. Apart from that, if you want to select a specific proposal template, you can also select that. The next one is, which I mentioned earlier, you can like go with the specific solution or case study or anything. If you want to write the answers of questions as well, if there are any screening questions, you can check this and this will help you write the proposal. Let's test it. Going to the profile, which is correct. Let's click here. Now it's gonna go ahead and write the proposal. This is the specific template that I have selected here for us to write according to. So it has written on the proposal and also added my relevant work. And another interesting thing that we added here is you can bold the text from like anywhere in the proposal. For example, I'm gonna select this text, I'm gonna hit Control B and it's going to change the font to bold. This is really helpful to grab the attention of the client while they are skimming through like the proposals. So yeah, that's how the extension works. Now let's jump back to the dashboard and see what other features do we have. Next up we have portfolio. You can import all the portfolio from Upwork, which is great if you have like added a lot of projects in Upwork like me. For example, these are 20 proposals that I have already added and optimized on Upwork, and I can just go ahead and click import. All of them will be imported here with all the details that are being added there. Moreover, you can also import the portfolio through CSV. You can download this CSV file, you can fill it manually, or you can copy a prompt and give it to ChatGPT and it will give you the portfolio. If you ChatGPT know everything about your like job you do, it will give the portfolio right according to how we need it inside the ProposalLift. And once you import, you can use that in your proposals as well, so you don't have to copy and paste like the live URLs or like the details of the portfolio that we usually do. Thing is team, if you are in agency, this will be really helpful. You can invite any of your business managers, can access the dashboard and they can send the proposal from their dashboard as well. So if you have multiple team members, it's really helpful. Right now we have like 3 team members who are actively sending proposals, and this is how like we use it. Is persona, which is a bit different from team, is that specific persona we are sending proposal. For example, for my profile, it's related to full stack development, AI and everything. We use this persona. It has all the details of my profile, what I have experience with. Next one is templates, which is also really helpful. We have been testing a lot of templates like with different structure, different things that we mentioned inside the proposal to see which thing worked for us. Inside the template, you can use different variables. For example, you can add a hook, you can add like approach, live portfolio URL, call to action, and it will write proposal right according to your template. So it's not gonna write something and something completely different later. It will follow the structure and everything. So these are proposal templates. This one is hooks, which are the first line that we write inside Upwork proposal. like most organization, freelancers, individuals also test the hooks as well. So if you need that feature, it's really helpful. You can use that as well during creation. I already told you when we are submitting the proposal, we can select a specific hook. So when the AI writes a proposal, it will add that kind of hook inside the proposal. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We have like history of usage, resources. We are adding like more resources here, like on how to use. And with time, we'll be adding more features, of course. And for that, I'll be adding the resource and everything here as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just go and sign up. We are accepting a limited number of users. You can go ahead on ProposalLift.com and apply for early access, provide your details and everything, and we will review everything and give you access to move on. Thank you so much, and see you on the other side.